B-O-A-R-D, board, board. Speak after me. B-O-A-R-D, board. Word board can be used for whiteboard, blackboard, or even skateboard. Next word we have is boast. B-O-A-S-T, boast, boast. Repeat after me. B-O-A-S-T, boast. Boast means when someone talks with excessive pride and displays self-satisfaction about one's achievements, possessions, or abilities. Basically, when someone brags about something or tries to show off. Next word we have is goal. G-O-A-L, goal, goal. Goal can be the score we make while playing a sport, or it can be an aim or an objective a person sets for himself. That is goal. Next word is C-L-O-A-K, cloak, cloak. Cloak is a sleeveless outdoor garment that hangs loosely from the shoulders. Next word is groan. G-R-O-A-N, groan, groan. It is an action in which one says something in a despairing or miserable tone. Synonyms of groan are sigh, complain, grumble, or whine. Let's pronounce the words with OA sound we learned today one more time. B-O-A-R-D, board. B-O-A-S-T, boast. G-O-A-L, goal. C-L-O-A-K, cloak. And last we have is G-R-O-A-N, groan.